We're going to do some exercises for our fingers, warm up those fingers for typing. We're going to use either Play-Doh or modeling clay first to put down 10 little circle blobs over the fingertips. So I have my Play-Doh ready, and what we're going to do is start with the left hand. We're going to start with the thumb. On the left hand, grab a small piece of Play-Doh or modeling clay and roll it inside your fingertips. Try to use the index, tall finger, and thumb while the ring finger and the pinky are tucked into your palm. It's like a little workout for those fingers. And then press it into the left thumb. And we'll go ahead and do the rest of the fingers on the left hand. Nice small blobs that fit inside of those circles. If you have the matching color, that's pretty cool, but if not, that's okay too. I am using my right hand to roll the dough to press it into the left hand. I'm going to use my left hand to press them into the right hand, but you could always use your left hand to roll the dough and place them here. Okay, now I'm going to do the right hand thumb. And you'll see that my left hand is not as coordinated as my right because I am right-handed. That's okay. You can also roll on the table to get a little bit more help if you need that on your non-dominant side. But we want to warm up both sides since we're going to be using both hands on the keyboard. Again, try to tuck these fingers in and roll between these three fingers. And if you need extra help, just roll it onto the tabletop. Okay, now that I have my 10 blobs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we're going to place our hand over the handprint and press the fingers into the blobs that we just made. We're going to lift our fingers one at a time, going from left to right. So we're going to go pinky, ring, tall, index, thumb, and then move to the right hand. Thumb, index, tall finger, ring finger, pinky. Now we're going to reverse that. So we're going to start with our pinky, tall, ring, tall, index, thumb, thumb, index, tall, ring, and pinky. Okay, now we're going to squeeze our hands into fists. And on the count of 3, we're going to open them out and press them into the blobs. 1, 2, 3, press. And close. 1, 2, 3, press. And close one more time. 1, 2, 3, press. Good job. And then my last warm up I like to do before keyboarding is the spider, doing push-ups in the mirror. Line up your fingers. And we're going to press those fingers together and push apart. That's one push-up. We're going to do 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And shake those fingers out, and you are ready to work on your typing skills. Enjoy!